In today's video, constructing flooring. To construct the floor, jumbo popsicle sticks are used. Each end is snipped off, some left long, others snipped in half. The jagged edges are sanded and smoothed out, then the sticks lined up on the floor. Once the popsicle sticks are laid out, masking tape was applied to each to keep them into place. The temporary flooring will allow me to lay something else down in the future, like carpet. I obtained this technique from Dollhouse on YouTube. A link to her video will be found in the description. The floor was then turned over, wood glue streaked on the back, then cheesecloth laid on top. The floor was left to dry overnight, then the next day turned back over where the tape was removed in some places and the floor sanded, smoothing out some of the rough areas. There were still some sticks not stationary, so the floor was turned over again and Mod Podge applied, and the floor was allowed to dry overnight again. The next morning, polycrylic was applied to the floor, leaving a beautiful finish. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a like, and don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe for more fabulous videos. Until we meet again, thank you so very much for watching.